way now. Just like some of you probably already turned this Twitter space off because you think it doesn't apply to you. I guarantee you haven't made money if you did. The folks that turn this off are the ones that think that they can go out there and watch a 5-minute trainer video, watch some kind of horse shit, go in and watch my video, and they should be able to walk out and be profitable and pass up a funded account challenge the first time and start making $20,000 a month in payouts. That's the people that turn off these parts of the video, or they don't listen to these discussions because they have their own head up their own ass. They can't see where they're at. They don't know the lay of the land. They've never been there before, and they believe the bullshit that's online. So, yes, it's difficult. Yes, it's intimidating in the beginning, but you have to have this approach that you're not going to stop. Nothing is going to deter you. Nothing's going to talk you out of it, you or someone else. And you have to guard your mind. Every single one of my profitable students will tell you the same thing. They have to at least cancel the influence of other people that says they can't do it, whether it's their friends or family, co-workers, or people online that know them. Or they completely cut it all off. That's not a cult. That's someone that's secluding themselves for intimate study. If you ever went to college and you were studying for your final exams, did you go and just study in a public space where there's a lot of noise and people can talk to you and do that at work? No. It would be unprofitable. It meant something to you. You had to put a lot of effort into that. Well, this is much worse than that because it's you. You are in the way. What you think you should be able to do, what you're afraid of, what's going to happen to you, what happens if this happens, what happens. You're worried about things that aren't there yet. And if you do the things I'm telling you to do and you develop a good work ethic and journaling, when you encounter the things you're afraid of, and by hearing what I'm telling you to do and how to cope with all those things, they won't be so terrifying and scary. And the first thing you'll do is stop. It's not an invitation to go press a button. If you're uncertain, if you're scared, there's no shame in that. Stop. Now, there's going to be people out there on Twitter that'll say partials are fucking stupid and trade like a pussy, and they don't ever show you them executing, and they're going to give you every reason why everything I just said in this lecture tonight is counterproductive and counterintuitive. But I'm going to tell you that you have to reward yourself. Along the way, you have to do it. That means when you feel staying in a mood and you're brand new, get out. It's so much better to do that and then see if it panned out in your favor and say, okay, I wasn't comfortable there. I got out, and it allowed me to have a clear perspective of what the market was doing because now I'm not influenced by the profit and loss of it. And then I'm now encouraged because if I just would stay with it, I'll remember this trade the next time, and then I'll try to stay with it a little bit longer. And you gradually grow into that. Nobody walks out there and does a full pull from entry, stop loss, and full target, no partials, and it just goes right to the thing, and they just did it the first time, and that's how their trades are the rest of their career. It doesn't work like that, folks. It does not work like that. And if it did, they'd be on there showing you executions and showing that they can do it, and they're not doing it. So, anyway, I got that off my chest today because it was a little much for me to sit there all day and go through a whole lot of stuff that could have been easily avoided if you would have listened to me. But we're on the right path, and you are too. You just gotta stay with it. Hopefully you got something out of this tonight that was helpful. Hopefully I gave you some encouragement. If not anything, I made you laugh and you had some entertainment value out of it, and that's a win too. Okay. So